Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a Colorado winter wonderland. We're in the lull of a snowstorm and already about a foot or two of snow have fallen. The plan today was to take that brand new F-150 with the 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine and take it off-road. The issue is we're not going to be able to get to our off-road area because there's just so much snow. So this off-road review has turned into a snow drive review, and that is coming up next on the Fast Lane Truck. But first, we have to actually clear the road even to get to the snow review. This EcoBoost F-150 has 325 horsepower, but none of that matters today. What matters are these Goodyear Wranglers that are mud and snow rated. In fact, they're all-season tires. So, what we're talking about today are how good these tires do in the snow, how much ground clearance this truck has, and how good of an all-wheel drive system this truck has. Because this is the 4x4 Lariat, it should do well. Now, of course, we have no backup, and if we go down that road and we get stuck, we have to drive back to Boulder, get the Raptor with the winch, and winch ourselves out. So, keep your fingers crossed, because if we get stuck, it's gonna be a heck of a long hike in a snowstorm to get the Raptor. If we get stuck, really, we have to walk out, go to the parking lot, and go get the Raptor and winch us out of here. But we wanna see how this thing does in a snowstorm, and we do real-world testing here, so here we go. I got it in 4 low, which seems like a good place to have it. Probably want a little bit more momentum than this, but so far, no problem. The truck is doing really well. That's a great thing about pickup trucks, right? These guys are just unstoppable for the most part when it comes to off-road conditions. We have a lot of ground clearance. We've got good departure angles. We've got good approach angles, and we've got relatively capable snow tires. So far, no problem. Easy peasy. Oh my God, it's beautiful here. I probably won't be saying that when I'm walking back out. This brand new F-150's four-wheel drive system is different from the outgoing model. In fact, there are 3 modes. There's 4 high, there's 4 low, and now there's a new automatic mode where the truck decides which wheel and tire has the most traction, letting it decide how best to appropriate power. All right, guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. There's the dial, and I'm gonna switch it. I had it in 4 low. I'm gonna switch it to 4 high. Actually, 4 automatic. I'm gonna see how this thing does when I allow the truck to think for itself. So let's give it a little bit of autonomy and just put it in 4 automatic and go down this road. The only thing that's going to get stuck today is me in this driver's seat having a hell of a lot of fun blasting through the Colorado snow. Oh my gosh, this is fun. I can't even begin to tell you how cool this is. Oh, you gotta love trucks. Snow's flying. Oh my God, I almost hit a tree there. It's like taking the best roller coaster ride that you can get on. Oh my gosh, is this fun. And the best thing is there's like a cushion of snow underneath us. Luckily, the snow is just so soft right now. Talk about first tracks. This is the ultimate first tracks. We are so blessed to be out here in Colorado. Oh, going sideways to have advantage of this. Yeah, no Raptor needed. All you need is a pickup truck, some off-road ground clearance, and a Colorado Snowstorm, and you got yourself one hell of a roller coaster ride. Woo, that was fun. You know what? I was worried for nothing. The only thing that got stuck today was this smile on my face. And I'm glad I had a chance to check and test this truck's automatic off-road mode because it didn't miss a beat. And I hope you had as much fun watching this video as we had making it. So, thanks for watching TFL Truck. Check out TFL Truck for more news, views, and of course, snowy Colorado reviews. Ciao! I'm gonna go hit the trail and get some more hard-duty off-roading, snowy off-roading done right now.